magtrabaho naman. Shota, nagkagera na lahat-lahat siya. Siging travel pa din. O, ito nakalagay. Situation in the Republic of the Philippines in case of Prosecutor Rodrigo Duterte, public redacted version of prosecution or request interim release. Anong sunod? The prosecution respectfully requests the chambers reject. Nako! Mga kababayan, eto na. Yung pinagyabang ninyo na ipinost daw ni Kitty Duterte. Eto na mga kababayan. Klarong-klaro po mga kababayan. Nireject po ng ICC ang interim release na request na naman ni Digong. Oh my God. Oh my God. Mga kababayan. Kakapasok lang na balita. Basahin nyo po. Ayan po, mga kababayan. Ni-reject. Ito. Introduction. Ayan na. Ito po yun na mga kababayan. Ito po mula sa ICC. Ayan po nakalagay. Reject na naman. Ayan. Core, Penale, International Criminal Court, English. Pre-trial Chamber 1. Judge Julia Motok. Judge Rain Adali Supia Alpani Ganzu and kay Maria del Socorro Flores Liera. Situation in the Philippines, situation in the Republic of the Philippines in the case of the prosecutor versus Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Public redacted version of prosecution response to urge request for interim release. Ito na. Basahin natin. Masakit itong malaman, mga kababayan. Introduction. The prosecution respectfully requests that the chamber reject the defense urgent request for interim release. The request of Rodrigo Roa Duterte or Mr. Duterte under the Article 62 of the Rome Statute or the statute. The continued detention of Mr. Duterte remains necessary because the constituent conditions set out by Article 58 I-A, 58 I-B-I, or 58 I-B-I-I, and 58 I-V-I-I are met. The prosecution before strongly opposed Mr. Duterte interim release to redacted, nakalagay. Confidentially, the response of the classified as confidential ex parte pursuant to regular 23 bis I and 2 of the regulation as the contains sensitive information which could impact the security of the prosecution witness and their family members as well as ongoing investigation. It's also referred to filing with the same classification. Applicable law. Pursuant to the article is the status warrant of arrest of apply interim release pending trial. If the chamber is satisfied that the conditions set forth in the article of the statute remain fulfilled, the person shall continue to be detained. If not, the chamber shall be released the person with or without condition. So nakalagay po dito, the prosecution respectfully requests the chamber reject the defense urging. Ayan na naman, mga kababayan. Reject. Sabi nga ni Senador Antonio Trillanes, katulad lang din yan nung una. Kung ang una ni-reject sila, di ba? Rodrigo Duterte should not be released. Not temporarily, not conditionally, not at all. Nako, mga kababayan. Eto ayan nakalagay Rodrigo, kita nyo mga kababayan, Rodrigo Duterte should not be released. Not temporarily, not conditionally, not at all. Ayan po, mga kababayan. So, reject na naman. Tagumpay! Tagumpay! Reject! Oh my God! Nakalagay dito, just in, ICC Prosecution Panel has formally opposed Rodrigo Duterte's request for interim release and honestly, They are absolutely right. Rodrigo Duterte should not be released. Not temporarily, not conditionally, not at all. Nako, reject. Mamamatay na siya. Ay! Nako mga kababayan. Bukod dyan, wala nang pag-asang magilit. Ito na mga kababayan, di ba? Wala na. Rejected. Reject na po mga kababayan. Ay, Diyos ko. Not at all to be released. Di ba? Nakalagay dito mga kababayan, Rodrigo Duterte should not be released. Not temporarily, not conditionally, not at all. Di ba? He give none, he deserve none. No release, no excuses, no sympathy. Wala na. Bye-bye. Patay. Ay, nako, kawawang nilalang. They have been redact part of the document because yes, there are still people scared for their lives. Witness, families, people, those safety would be at rest the moment Duterte step out. That alone tells why your detention is not just justified, it's essential. So nakalagay dito mga kababayan, applicable law. Person with or without condition. Reject. Ay, Diyos ko mga kababayan. Ni-reject na naman. Not temporarily, not conditionally, not at all. Manigas ka dyan sa dahig. Walang temporarily, walang conditionally, not at all. Reject. DDS. Iyak ka. Yung nagpakalat kanina. Yung paper daw. Ready to release na daw. Reject. Tangina. Ayan na. Kakabalita lang. Reject si Digong. Reject. Nako. Iyak. Ayan o. The prosecution respectfully request that the chamber reject the defense. Ayan o. Ang laki naman siguro. Respectfully. The chamber. Ayan o. Reject. The defense. Reject. Chamber reject the defense. Umasa pa kayo, mamatay yan doon. Uuwi yang nakaataol. Mali-mali ang balita ng mga DDS. Ano yan? Pampalubag loob. Kakapasok lang. Chamber, reject the defense. Patay. Iyak na naman mga DDS. Niya, I am Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Maluoy mo nako niwang na kaayo ko dire. Lo. My God. Hanapin nyo po mga kababayan. Ibabalita naman po yan. Ay, Diyos ko. Wala na. Kakapasok lang po, mga kababayan. Kakapasok lang. Ay, kawawa. Wala na. So ito, sunod mga kababayan. Dito tayo. Paano pa ito iparelease kung mismong na-reject na nga. So ito mga kababayan.